Hey, welcome to YouTube Automation by Automation One. Are you looking to monetize your YouTube channel, getting more video views, increase engagement such as like and comment on each video, or getting more subscribers? If your answer is yes to at least one of the above, you need to stick around for this. Automation One helps businesses to automate repetitive and tedious tasks. We ensure online brand success 24/7, yes, even on lunch break. We have all that is matter to YouTube right here. With Automation One, your channel subscriber will grow along with insane engagement such as like, views, and comments for each video. For those of you who still aiming to get your channel monetized, we will get those public hours for you fast. Oh, and don't worry, we'll also help you like every single comment from your viewers. And the best part, we'll leave friendly comments on videos from relevant channels in your niche to keep getting you that organic traffic daily. YouTube content creation is becoming more demanding, so let us take these repetitive outreach tasks off your plate. Still thinking that you could do it all on your own manually? Take a look at this. Would you rather hiring a team of 5 to do organic outreach daily with 5 times the cost versus Automation One, a team of 100 virtual assistants working 24/7 on autopilot for the cost of 1? Would you rather get 3 times the results or 10 times the results? And would you rather do growth slowly or growth massively with traffic and leads every day? Automation One does the job at half the price, half the hassle, but triple the efficiency and return on investment because we believe that YouTube content creators should have the time and money to put into what they do best, which is creating quality content.